The new Volkswagen Corrado is finally making a dramatic comeback, and this return is shaping up to be one of the most exciting moments in modern automotive history. For years, enthusiasts have hoped that Volkswagen would revive this legendary sports coupe. And now the new Corrado is ready to redefine performance, style, and innovation for an entirely new generation of drivers. This iconic nameplate first captured hearts with its bold design and thrilling driving experience, and the all-new version brings that same spirit into the future with a breathtaking transformation that blends heritage with advanced engineering. The exterior design of the new Corrado is nothing short of spectacular. Volkswagen has crafted a sleek and aggressive coupe silhouette with sculpted body lines, a low aerodynamic stance, and a fastback roofline that gives it a commanding road presence. The front fascia features ultra-slim LED matrix headlights, a glowing Volkswagen emblem, and a wide performance grille that instantly announces its sporty intentions. Sharp character lines flow seamlessly along the body, while large alloy wheels and muscular wheel arches enhance its athletic personality. At the rear, a full-width LED light bar, active aerodynamic spoiler, and sporty diffuser complete the look, creating a coupe that appears fast even when standing still. Under the hood, the new Corrado is expected to offer a range of exciting powertrains designed to satisfy both traditional driving enthusiasts and modern performance seekers. The standard version could feature a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine delivering over 300 horsepower. A high-performance, hybrid-assisted variant may push output close to 400 horsepower, allowing the Corrado to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4.5 seconds, placing it among the most impressive sports coupes in its class. Power will likely be delivered through Volkswagen's advanced all-wheel drive system, paired with a lightning, fast dual-clutch transmission, ensuring outstanding grip and thrilling acceleration. Step inside, and the new Corrado reveals a cabin designed to combine premium luxury with cutting-edge technology. The cockpit features a curved digital driver display and a floating infotainment touchscreen with seamless controls for navigation and entertainment. Premium Alcantara, leather, brushed aluminum, and carbon fiber accents create a sophisticated atmosphere, while ambient lighting adds a futuristic touch. Deeply bolstered sports seats offer excellent comfort and support, making every drive engaging. Volkswagen has focused heavily on driving dynamics, engineering the Corrado with a lightweight platform, adaptive suspension, and precise steering response for an unforgettable experience. Advanced drive modes will allow drivers to customize suspension settings, throttle sensitivity, and exhaust sound. Safety features such as adaptive cruise control, lane assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking will add confidence to every journey. The return of the Volkswagen Corrado is more than just the revival of an old name. It represents Volkswagen's commitment to reconnecting with its performance heritage while embracing the future. For longtime fans, it is the rebirth of a legend. And for new enthusiasts, it is a chance to experience a modern icon. If Volkswagen delivers everything expected, the new Corrado will dominate the road and remind the world why legends never truly fade away.